Am I a happy girl or what this morning? There's 3 things that I really, really love. That's my Georgia food, my Georgia music, and my Georgia men. And you know what? I got all 3 in my kitchen this morning. I'm gonna cook you up a butterscotch pie. So now I'm gonna put in 1½ cups of packed brown sugar, Zac, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and now I'm just gonna mix that together, and we're cooking these over medium heat. And now I'm gonna slowly add 4 cups of milk to it. And I'm gonna cook it until this gets thick, and then once that happens, I'm gonna add some eggs. Ooh, look at that, y'all. So stinking good.
Yeah.
He's serenading me in the kitchen, y'all. How good does this get? Now I'm making Zac a butterscotch pie. Now I've got all of our mixture cooked and it's nice and thick, so I'm just gonna temper those eggs, Zac. And I've beaten 2 egg yolks here. And then back into the saucepan it goes. And that's gonna make this real custardy and rich. So I'm just gonna let that cook just for a couple of minutes. Now before I chill this, there's just 2 more things that I need to add. And that would be a little butter, a couple of tablespoons of butter, and about 2 teaspoons of vanilla flavoring. And that's it. I'm just gonna put this in the fridge and let it chill. Now I'm gonna take our already chilled filling and fill up our pie shell. Doesn't that look good? And before you start singing, I'm gonna just add 1/4 cup of butterscotch morsels to 1 cup of heavy cream that I whipped with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. So you hit it, baby.
All right, let's do it. You know I like my chicken fried. Cold beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio, whoa, 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 whoa. Well, I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine. And that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine. Where the peaches grow. In my house, it's not much to talk about. But it's filled with love that's grown in southern ground. And a little bit of chicken fried. And cold beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio, whoa, whoa. I like to see the sunrise. See the love in my woman's eyes. Feel the touch of a precious child. And know a mother's love. Well, ain't it funny how it's the little things in life that mean the most? Not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. I might have to take a break here for a second.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.